In this video, we'll learn to add text-to-speech GUI converter using Tkinter in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for integrate speech recognition and Tkinter. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the first result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires speech recognition and Tkinter library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from Kandi. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code. Here we are importing both the libraries. This line defines a function named record. This function will be called when the start button is clicked. Now this line recognizes speech from the audio sources, microphone in our case. Here the audio is converted to text using Google's speech recognition service. Now let's run the code and I'll say text to speech converter. And you have successfully added text to speech GUI converter using Tkinter in Python.